Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. A very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal, Sister Hazel, dear teachers, and my fellow students. My name is Std Ix A, and today we, the students of 9A, will be presenting an online assembly on our theme, Let's Mask Up for a Better Tomorrow.
Good morning everyone. Thought for the day. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a luck. Thank you.
Moving further, I would like to call upon Vinita to present a speech on our theme.
Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease which causes illness in the respiratory system in humans. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole world badly as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person. COVID-19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan, China. March 2020, the World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic. COVID-19 is now the cause for a large number of deaths across the world. Till now, no proper drug or vaccine has been developed for treatment of this disease. However, clinical trials and researches are being carried on for the development of vaccines. Coronavirus is one of the most severe issues that are faced by many people around the world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation as early as possible. So people should stay informed and maintain a good hygiene. Together we all can bring an end to this pandemic. So let's all mask up for a better tomorrow. Thank you.
This wouldn't be complete without a little entertainment. Now, I invite the dancers of our class, Sai Vaishnavi, Sanika, Randlin, Kavya, and Sahana S. to present a short choreography.
Kindly place your right hand on your chest and repeat the pledge after me. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
I would like to conclude this assembly with a quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have the equal opportunity to develop our talents. I do hope you understand the importance of wearing a mask at these times. On behalf of my class, I would like to thank Sister Hazel for giving us this wonderful opportunity to present an assembly. And we are truly grateful for our class teacher, Mrs. Sheba, for coordinating it, and all the participants from our class. Last but not least, I would like to thank you all for being a wonderful audience. Thank you.